Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran. Are you a trader trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty futures? Here are the key levels to watch out for. Nifty weekly expiry which is scheduled for the day, and Nifty previous close stands at 22,705 after seeing a late surge in the markets. Now Nifty major supports now placed for the day is at 22,450 followed by 22,410 zones, and resistance placed at 22,745 followed by 22,780 zones. About 22,780 the markets can see higher levels. For the day we are expecting a range bound market and sideways activity for the day. That's it for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.